Hello students, good morning to all of you. I am Rajkumar Pandit, Faculty of Computer Science in JSS Asmari Academy, Hajiganj, Patna City. Today, this video is prepared for the students of class 9th. In the previous classes, we have discussed about the concept of objects and class. I will continue this topic. In the previous classes, we have discussed about what is class and what is objects, and what is real world objects and software objects. Also, discuss about how to create an objects of a class. So let us start the topic how. Class is an object factory. Why it is called class as an object factory? Okay. Let us start the topic class as an object factory. Means class is used to create more than one object. The term factory is used along with a class for creating similar kinds of objects. These objects are created by using all informations that share common characteristics and behavior available in the class. Each object belonging to a specific class possesses the data and functions defined within the class. It also produces the objects of similar type, hence a class is termed as object factory. Suppose we have taken the examples employee. Employee is the class. So this class contain data member as employee name, department and salary. The name data type is string, department is also string, and salary is integer. So these are the data members. We also use the member function. Member function. Member function is void except. Void display. These are the member functions used to input name, department and salary. And these member function is used to display name, department and salary. This means the complete definition of the employee class. We have created the class using employee obj equals to new employee. OBJ is the objects, and we can use name, department, salary, accept and display using this object. This one is the single objects. We can also create another object. Suppose employee obj1 equals to new employee. This one is the another objects. So through this process, we can create more than one objects of a class. So it is called the object factory. The next one is a class is a user-defined data type. Why a class is called an user-defined data type? Primitive data types are not sufficient in the real world. We have much more complicated objects. Classes combines the data members and member function. A user may create a data type and declare certain characteristics and behavior within it. So it is called user-defined data type. That means we can create different types of data types with the combination of primitive data types. That means in a class, we can use more than one primitive data types used in a class. So it is called the user-defined data types. Next one is the difference between class and objects. As we know, class is a representation of an abstract only, while object is a real and unique entity having some characteristics and behavior. We also discussed about class is an object factory, while object is known as the instance of a class. Another difference is it is an object producer and hence called a blueprint for a set of objects, while a object is created with the use of the new operator. Okay, thank you. We also produce the notes of the above video on your Teno app. So please write in the copy. Okay, thank you.